Okay, so I hope you took a few minutes to evaluate each of these limits. The details are here. I don't think these are particularly remarkable. They're all using properties that we just discussed. So limit of a quotient is a quotient of limits. Limits of a difference or product, is the difference of the limits or the product of the limits. So all of these should be pretty straightforward. And of course, if you have any questions about any of these, you can always ask in class. So I think, all of these examples are very straightforward because, of course, we're using the results up top. I think the only thing that might be questionable is this last example, number 24, where it's a cube root. And the thing to keep in mind when you look at this problem, if you sailed through 23 and said limit of h of x to the fifth is just, limit of h of x raised to the power 5, if you accept that and did 2 to the fifth and 32, really the application in 24 is the same because roots are rational exponents. So this cube root you can think of as an exponent of 1/3. So even though I didn't write it in using rational exponents, the logic is the same. So when you take this limit, it's the same as, this function raised to the power 1/3. And so raised to the power 1/3, that's cube root. So you should have ended up with 3. And again, if there's any question on these, you can stop by my office or ask during class.